Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 128 Bonnygate in Cupar. This is a fantastic business premises, great opportunity if you are starting out your business, looking to relocate the business to a busy town or looking to add further locations. So what I'll do is take you on a tour on the inside and then I will tell you further details at the end. So this is your business unit just here, 128 Bonnygate. So right on the main road, so ample footfall and prime positioning. Across there you have the co-op parking, which you can pay for a set amount of time. You also do have on-street parking with a 30-minute time frame, but this is your location here. So a big display window to the front and then access via your main door. And then straight away you come into your premises here. So a great space, can really make it work for your business, whether you use it as a office space, a retail space. So that is the window just there to the front. So as you can see, prime positioning, ample footfall to get seen by all of your clients. And then this is the space just here, sold as seen. So what you can see currently in the premises is going to come with the sale of the property, whether it'll be of use of you or not. Then I'm just going to show you the full size of it. Window to the rear. Now through that door is a WC, so there is facilities with this premises. And then I'm just going to span around to give you an idea of the size of space. So ample space, as I say, whether you have the front as your retail shop area and you use this and you partition off to create a office space at the back, or whether you have it as an open plan office, but there's plenty of potential to really make this work, obviously, for your business. There is a door just behind that fridge freezer there that does give you access out to the side that then gets you to your bins at the rear. But as you can see, as we've just been here, the footfall that's going past, you really are in a great location to really maximize your business. And then just a reminder of your space. Currently registered as a class 1 premises, so retail or office. Also a rateable value of 3,800. So let's just recap. So that was the personal property tour for 128 Bonnygate in Cupar. As you've just seen, a really fantastic space, whether you are just starting out your small business, whether you're looking to relocate to the busy town of Cupar, or whether you are looking to add further locations. You are right on the main road, Bonnygate, going in and out of Cupar, so you've got plenty of footfall, as you've seen. Parking just outside for clients, customers. Great links as well for transport. You have bus routes within Cupar that connect you all across Fife, as well as you're just a short walk to the train station in Cupar. So great location, and you're obviously getting a really good sized business premises. Currently a class 1 registered, and it has a rateable value of 3,800. So if you'd like to get further details of this property, you can either click the link on the video, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.